I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love HAIM's new album, Women in Music Part 3. In this video, I'm going to be going over I've Been Down on acoustic guitar. So if this video helps you learn the song, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. And subscribe too, because I'm going to be doing a whole series on this album and you're not going to want to miss it. Enjoy. This entire song is made up of 4 chords. First is an A major. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. Next is a B major. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B string with your ring finger on the 4th fret. Next is a C sharp minor. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger from the A string. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And then last is the E major chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. The verse uses 2 of these chords. It's an A major and a B major. And it sounds like this. So there's a couple of licks in there that we're going to want to go over. First is on the A major chord. You're going to be going back and forth between an open B string and placing your pinky on the 2nd fret of the B string, like this. And the second one is after the B chord, the B major chord. You're going to bar the D, G, and B string with your pointer finger on the 4th fret, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string, and you're going to do a lick like this. Now, the next part of the song doesn't really even have that much acoustic guitar in it, but if you want to play it as a standalone piece, then you're going to need it. This uses the A major chord and the B major chord, but also adds the C sharp major and the E minor or E major chord that we went over before. It sounds like this. And that's it for I've Been Down. Again, hit the like button if this video helped you learn the song. It helps my channel more than you know. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm definitely going to be doing more videos on this album. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. See ya.